you like that?
해야 되지 않아?
How you like that?
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating this look in Blackpink's How You Like That music video. One, I don't look like Jennie from Blackpink. And two, I'm wearing these on my nails. As you can see in the photo, I know they're not her hands, but I wanted to do these nails, so my BFF Christy's Hyunji's house did these. Here we go! So the first thing I'm gonna do, as always, is prime my face. Oh my gosh, look at this, y'all. It's just so crazy, these nails. Like, boom, bada, bing, bang, boom. Bada, bida, bang, boom, boom. Pida, bada, bang, bang, bang. No, it's doom, 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 da, da, doom, da, 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 doom, dan, doom, dan, do. I'm just covering up my pores with the Poreless Putty Primer, as I always do, by e.l.f. I can't open anything with these nails. I actually just went to the bathroom before I filmed, and you know what? I might have gotten a little bit of pee-pee on this. This is actually one of my new favorite drugstore foundations. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in shade 203 Nude Beige, and it's just a pretty natural, a little bit more like on the glowy side foundation. Boom bada boom pang pang, pada pada pang pada. I'm serious, that's just literally a thing. Doom 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 dida doom, dida doom 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 doom. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Too Faced concealer. This is in the shade Shortbread. I'm gonna have this as more of my heavier coverage. I'm gonna spray my face a little bit, and I'm gonna spray my sponge, and I'm gonna keep on blending a little bit because I don't want it to look like patchy, especially since I have a lighter shade on. I'm gonna go in with the Saem concealer in the shade 2, which is lighter than my 1.7. Lord, please help me. Please, Lord, please. Okay, I might not be able to go into the Saem number 2 because I can't freaking open it. Do I look like Jennie? No. And at the end, I still won't. So if you're looking for a transformation, this ain't it. You gotta go somewhere else. All right. Also, I'm going to dab my lips a little because if you notice in the photo, her lips are colored, but it's like a slight baby, almost like nudish white pink. So, and my pinks are just naturally, they're a little bit more like pink and red. So I'm gonna go ahead and powder my face with this Beauty Bakerie flower setting powder, and I just posted about this last week, but this powder, like, I've been loving it ever since I've been using it. I think it's just so nicely finely milled, you know what I'm saying? And it's black owned. I'm gonna go into a little bit of cool tone shading first, like just to create some shadow. I'm not gonna really be, I'm not trying to bronze, like I don't really want people to see it. And I'm almost doing this like at my hairline so you can barely see it, and it looks really like just a shadow. And she has no highlight, which is odd. It's really difficult for me to even conceive something like that, but okay, fine. Then I'm gonna actually take my powder brush and I'm gonna just go over it just to lighten it up. Like, I really want it to be a barely there. I really want it to be more of a contour. Ow, these nails! Be a contour than it is a bronze. Now I'm going to blush. Ooh, I love blush, as you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix the Patrick Ta, because I think it's the perfect nude flesh blush, and I'm gonna actually mix it and make it just a tiny bit pinkier with the Chungseumur blush in the color Fluffy Peach. This is Hexa old. Don't ask me. I know, I use expired makeup all the time. It's very, very bad. She's got some, I can't really see it, but I'm just gonna say she's got some, because how can you not do blush? That just makes no sense to me. And her makeup artist would never, ever, ever, ever do that. Bug. I mean, maybe it's just her flesh. Who knows? She's gifted with some good stuff. Okay, but you can see it, right? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so just to up it a tiny bit, I'm gonna add that Fluffy Peach. Not too much, because I don't want it to appear too pink, but like, it's like the barely there, but it's very much there. Oh, I forgot to contour my nose. I'll be right back. Okay, so I think this is the base. I'm just gonna quickly spray and move on to the eyes. Her brows are extremely light. I'm gonna get the shape first, and then I might fill it in with the shadow just lightly. I'm gonna do something innovative, and as you can tell, I've been quite innovative sometimes. Oh, that was a mistake. I like 긁었어, scraped, and I'm gonna see if I can at least just go like this. Oh wait, low-key this is working. I mean, her eyebrows are just pretty natural. So I like to go like this first and then push it back up and to the side, up to the side. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna go into my favorite part, which is the eyes. I'm so excited. I mean, this really is, I could wear this every day, so it's not an intense look, but it's just such a pretty look. And it's definitely more reddish pink. For the most part, it's not shimmery. It's actually mostly matte, except for there's shimmer at the bottom. So I'm gonna have more of a pink base, and then I'm gonna start building in the red. So again, I've used these palettes 1 million times. I'm going to go in with Dream Maker, and it's actually a really light pink. So I'm gonna mix Dream Maker and Meadow in the Sweet Talk palette. And I'm gonna start just building up my base. I'm gonna make sure the blend is good all the way up so it looks natural. But it's not too blown out, but I definitely want it there to be a nice gradient. Actually, to make it a little bit more pink, I'm gonna go in with the 정샘물 blush, and I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow. But I already closed it. Oh, easy money. It's like a powdery pink. So now I'm gonna go into this red shade in my Yes Please palette. It's well worn out because I constantly use it. And I'm gonna take this red and I'm gonna just slowly build it, because if I go into with too much of a heavy hand, it does turn really red. So I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna try to sweep it across on the outside. The look is pretty red all around. So I'm gonna start in the middle and just blend it all over my eye. Oh my gosh, also today's July 1st. Isn't that crazy? Like, we're 7 months into the year and I'm like, gosh. And yes, I say 1,000 times, I really wish this year, like, just why this year is it's so hard. But then at the same time, it's like, well, this stuff existed and now I feel like we're just coming to terms with everything. So it's 2020 why, but 2020 okay, like, yeah, come, but come Lord Jesus, come. I'm gonna start now concentrating on the outer corners with the red. I think I'm doing a pretty spectacular job, if I do so say myself. Okay, I'm gonna go in back with the pink and just brush it on top a little bit, just so it doesn't look too red, because I think in the camera it does look a little bit too red. So I'm gonna just go back in with the 정샘물. She has no shimmer on top, so I think I'm gonna keep this the same. But now I'm gonna go into my lower lash line, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I picked this up. I didn't know that they sold Colored Rain at Target. I knew they sold the lip bar, so I also picked up something from there. And the lip bar and Colored Rain, I don't know if you saw my last video, they are also Black-owned brands. And this is actually a highlighter. And I think like a darker skin tone, this would be a perfect highlighter. And it's actually like a perfect blush topper for me, because I tried this yesterday. But this is like the thing that goes on her bottom lash line. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna take my brush, I'm gonna dip, and this has just like such a nice mirror on it, so it's easier to use. And I'm gonna start just brushing it on the bottom. I'm gonna go in generously and 넉넉하게. Isn't this so pretty though? Oh man, you can't really tell, but here, I'll swatch it. It's a really pretty summer blush. I'm gonna take this tiny brush and create my fake eye bag with it, just really quickly, just so that it looks like, oh shoot, it's too heavy, then it's like noticeable, you know? Like, this is too heavy, turn it. Don't worry, I'll fix it, yo. See, it looks like I got eye bags, but they're fake. Blend it a little bit to look more natural. So this is it for the eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead, oh no it's not, I gotta put on freaking eyeliner. Girl, get your head on straight. So her eyeliner is quite thin, nothing dramatic, so I'm gonna go ahead and just follow my eye and wing it out just a little bit at the end. I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm gonna apply some single lashes. Okay, here comes the hard part, adding the falsitos. Oh, please help me. This, oh dude, you can't even freaking see that junk. Oh, I lost it. Aish. They look like, it looks like I'm holding a tiny gnat. Singles do, I think, look a lot more natural. That's why I'm opting for them. Oh, but they're so hard to put on. Okay, this took maybe 1 million years. This probably took longer than my whole face. Oh, and I got the crusty out. Oh, hold on. They're kind of uneven, but I feel like that's not the point, but like, you know, they're not perfect, but they're kind of like floofy eyelashes. So now I'm gonna move on to the lips, which is the last part. And if you look in the photo, she doesn't have crusty lips like I do. So I'm gonna start with first putting on this Cloud Paint by Glossier. Glossier on, and I'm gonna kind of, it's like the powdered, what is that? I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna first go in with Beam, and this is the Cloud Paint. Put it on my lips first. Oh, look at my nail, that's crazy. So this is what I got from Target. This is another black-owned brand called the Lip Bar. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on my, it's a pigmented gloss in the color Bourgeois. Do the same thing and just, okay, I think this is good. And then again, I'm just gonna take my whatever's left on this and just press around it. Sometimes I really impress myself with myself. The last step here, she has that jewel piece right here. I went to Michael's and I could not find anything like really similar, so I'm gonna do the best with what I bought. I bought these stickers. I should not have put on these nails because this is a mistake. I'm just gonna bedazzle my face and see where that takes us. Okay, there's no turning back. So far we're at 3, baby. 5. You guys think I should put another one or not? I'm gonna put it and then go, I think I should. Okay. Oh, dude! Yes! Honestly, I'm digging it. I am personally digging it. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on these down thingy. I know hers are hanging because when she's dancing, it's like, but again, I couldn't find these chain-like things, so I'm gonna just draw them, or not draw them.
Oh, it actually looks pretty
good, right? Doesn't my makeup look good?
Yeah.
It looks pretty like even the lips, right? Yeah.
Did you glue it?
No. Oh, dude.
Like, add one more right there.
You think so?
It looks too short.
Okay. Okay, this took maybe 1,000 years, but I finally finished. I guess I need to add a little bit red on my lips. This is from SEP Beauty. I got this in Korea. I'm gonna blot the inside of my lip just to add a little bit more dimension. There we go. Dude, freaking got it. So the last part is her hair is down and it's blonde. I'm gonna pull out my hair and my roommate's gonna Photoshop it so it's blonde. So that's probably what you're gonna see as the cover, the thumbnail for this. Is that clickbaity? It doesn't matter because that's what I'm doing anyways. Okay, I'm refilming my outro because I just felt like the t-shirt dress was not cutting it. Anyways, this is the final, look at me, look. What do you guys think? I think my favorite part is the eyes. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Paired with the nails, it looks freaking legit. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is my look again, just close up. You guys, and oh, I'm filming this because there's natural sunlight. So I feel like it's a little bit different. But gosh darn, if this wasn't there, I feel like I could wear this out in public. Oh, look at my nails. But this is here, so I ain't going, and there's no public to go out to. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, have a great week. Make sure to shop local Black businesses, continue to support the movement, wear a mask when you go outside, and be good to your parents if you can. Okay, bye. And I don't know how I'm supposed to apply makeup like this. And literally here, looks like a crusty butthole right now. Oh my gosh, my mom watch. My mom knows I say these kinds of things. Oh, dude, this is not bad, honestly. What is it like this? Oh, dude.
This is the best way
Okay, I kind of look like the,
This is the best
Lee Jong-yeon.
way to do your thing. Like, so you don't have loose hairs or your hair looking like a